YouTube, W7MBP here, Mark. Just letting you know, hey, I passed my general exam. I determined that I was going to do it about 6 weeks ago. Studied a little bit, put it off and on. But probably total hours, I probably studied 4 hours for it. So if you're really wanting to do it, it's possible. Nothing on it's too difficult. There's a few math questions, but simple multiplication, division is all you have to do on it. One of the things I used was Pass Your Amateur General Class Test the Easy Way by Craig Buck K4IA. This was really useful. When I did my technician's exam, I just pretty much studied the questions and studied the answers that went with them because I wanted to get it quickly. And then as I progressed using my ham radio, looking back in the book, it helped me and I learned. But I think if I would have learned along the way, I think I would have enjoyed my beginnings of ham radio better. The one thing that I liked about this book was it taught you as you went. It's just not question and answers, but it does go through each question. And it talks about the question and why the question exists and the reasons behind the answer. In the back, it also just has the test questions with the correct answer, which is a great way to study. So what I did is I read through these. I read through every question and the paragraph that went along with it. Also, one of the big reasons I like this book is it has what he calls super hints. Basically, it says, hey, in these questions, look for this, and that'll be the answer. The receiver questions are either mixer or product detector, or both mixer and detector. So anytime you see a receiver question, it's going to have that. So when you're taking the test, it makes it go by quick. The other thing was on digital frequencies. You're trying to remember all of these frequencies. And when I was reading through here, in one of the questions it says, hey, all digital answers have 70 in them, 70. So like 3570, 170 hertz, 14.070. So without this book, I wouldn't have really known that. And when I took the test and when digital question came up, I could just look at the answer that contained 70 and go through it pretty quickly. I know the reason you take your test is to test your general knowledge, but I feel my general knowledge is pretty good. I went through this book. Also, when I sat in the parking lot before the test, I had printed out all the questions. You can find the test, the pool bank online pretty easy. And then I went through and printed it out, and I highlighted just the correct answer. So when I was sitting in the parking lot, the last thing I did, I sat there for 30 minutes and looked at every question and the answer that went with it. I didn't pay attention to the wrong answers, just read them. I went through the test really quickly, did really well. I think missed 1 or 2 questions. But again, this book is really good because not only it teaches you how to pass the exam, it also teaches you the general knowledge of being a general class ham radio operator. So I bought this book, don't know this man, don't know the publisher, I'm not trying to promote it. I just thought, when I was looking on Amazon, I went through and I was thinking, which book should I buy? And you never know, you can read through the reviews, but I just wanted to say I'm happy with this one, and I'm glad I passed my general exam, and just want to let y'all know I'd done a previous video when I'd started it. So there it is. Thank you for watching my video. Hit subscribe if you would, and check back in for videos. And if there's something that you would like me to do a video on, I can. Appreciate it. Y'all have a good one.